Marissa walks into the room. She nervously looks around. She spots a group of students around a tablet. Another group is at the interactive whiteboard. Yet another is working at a table with the teacher. No one looks up as they are being observed, each engrossed in their own learning. The group at the table is placing parts from a circuit board together, from a diagram they printed from AutoCAD. Behind them are other projects waiting for their turns. Suddenly, the group at the board cheer as they play against one another. It looks like a game, maybe social studies? There's countries and statistics on the page. They're earning points as teams and individuals. As stats roll across the screen, they interact with the data in the game. Lastly, inching closer to the group with the iPad, she notices that they are looking at data charts and arguing pros and cons for a course of action now that they're finished with their project. They want to see what will be the best way to learn the concepts they need to learn next. The teacher notices that she has a new student and walks over to greet her. Marissa hands her the tablet they handed her at enrollment. She scrolls through, looking at where Marissa was at in her studies at their last school and what her interests are. As the teacher is looking at the tablet, Marissa can only hope to get put with a group that is discussing ways to program robots. After a brief discussion, they agree this would be a great place to start. As Marissa jumps into the group discussion, the teacher sends the new student's data to her own device and sets up a time to have a conference with Marissa to get a better idea on where she should be headed based on the information from her last school and interests to keep her right on target. She hands Marissa back her tablet and tells her about the calendar invitation. She glances around the room, seeing the group working through the Virtual World Exploration program. She gets a notification that a student made progress in an area he was previously struggling with. She makes her way over to give him some feedback. Welcome to the model classroom on the horizon.